Venancio Mondlane aiwa mutungamiri wemain opposition munyika yeMozambique ouya muzara nezuro aiwa achiadresa macitizens pamusoro patinoona kuti vakomana aiwa vesadhak vanouya vachiinaugurata aiwa Daniel Chapo kunyange zvazvo kwamaonekwa kuti mapresidents 2 out of mahead of states atonosvika kana 18 ndo vakakwanisa kuuya kuzongomuinaugurata chete. Sandapinda mashuka mudanyigo panapa ndoti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muzimu amudanyira chiti mashuku anotaurwa naVenancio Mondlane paendo pake anonzi to all the families who lost loved ones, children, parents, brutally massacred by the Rapid Intervention Unit UIR or the Defense and Security Forces, I send a heartfelt embrace. Today we witness an inauguration not of the elected candidate but of the one appointed by the Constitutional Council, which was nothing short of the theatrical performance, a circus-like spectacle. It was supposed to be open to the public, but it was completed militarized with the police aggression against women, including my mother, who was brutally attacked by the UIR today. The images are now viral worldwide, showing incredible brutality. This is not the kind of country we want for our future. We are fighting for a peaceful, honest, and just Mozambique, a nation where the police protects rather than oppresses, educate rather than kill. This is the Mozambique we aspire to live for our children and grandchildren. The inauguration of the Constitutional Council's appointee felt more like a funeral at a cemetery than a festive celebration. Everything was militarized, closed off, and filled with fear and threats. In stark contrast, when I was inaugurated on January 9, it was in an open public space, close to the people, celebrating with everyone freely. What we witnessed today was a sad, restricted, and oppressive event. Ndo mashoko anouya achitoka panapa naVenancio Mondlane achinyasoratidza kuti aiwa kuinaugurata kwakaitiwa Daniel Chapo yakanga isiri inauguration, but anouya achitaura achiti aiwa yakanga itori funeral, achiuya achikombiya neinauguration yake yakaitwa musi wa9, ataura mashoko achiti aiwa isusu toda kufaita, we are going to work parallel. Vakomana vanhu vachimusapota Venancio Mondlane. Imbotse mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pezvakuitika kuMozambique, tichiona aiwa maleaders maviri vekumain opposition aiwa nethe ruling party vachifaitira kutonga nyika. Tidze mafungiro enyu pene comment section yedu, subscribe or like, on the bell icon.